Before we go to sleep tonight, there's something we must do. Brush our teeth and make them shine to keep them strong and new.
Brush, brush, brush your teeth, left and right and all around. Goodbye sugar, crumbs and snacks, make your smile safe and sound.
If we forget to brush at night, germs will dance and play. They can cause small holes or aches and chase our smiles away. So brush your teeth before you sleep. Keep your mouth fresh and clean. Healthy teeth make happy kids and smiles bright and shiny beam.
So put your thing and get go. Learn, fun, explore. With Learn Data, you'll love to learn more.